Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I'm Emily, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I'm Alex. It feels great to see you again. I hope you're ready because today's lesson is special.
Oh, yes, really special. Today, we are going to master English tenses in the simplest, slowest, most beginner-friendly way.
But before we start, Emily, I want to tell you something funny.
Oh no, what now?
Yesterday, I tried to teach my cat the present tense.
Your cat?
Yes, I said, I eat, you eat, he eats. And my cat just walked away like, I don't care.
That is a good pattern interrupt for our viewers. See, learners, English can be fun, and today we will make it super easy.
So, sit back, relax, maybe take a deep breath, and let's begin our journey into present, past, and future tenses.
But remember, stay with us till the end. We will give you simple examples, cute stories, and easy pronunciation help.
All right, Emily, let's start with the present tense.
Present simple is used for things we do every day. Habits, routines, facts.
And the formula is subject plus base verb.
For example, I eat. You read. They play.
But with he, she, it, we add s. He eats, she reads, it rains.
Alex, can you give an example with your cat again?
Sure, my cat sleeps because he sleeps all day.
True. Learners, repeat with us slowly.
I sleep.
She sleeps.
They sleep.
Good. Let's give a real-life conversation.
Emily, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, Alex. I drink coffee. What about you?
I drink tea. Coffee scares me.
See? That's present simple.
Let's give them a tiny story.
Okay. Emily wakes up early. Emily eats breakfast. Emily teaches English.
And all these sentences talk about routine, things that happen again and again.
So remember, we use present simple for habits and routines.
Now, let's move to present continuous.
We use present continuous when something is happening right now, at this moment.
The formula is subject plus am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing.
Point to Alex. Give an example.
I am teaching. You are learning. She is watching this video.
Yes, you are watching right now.
And you are improving, slowly, beautifully.
Let's do a dramatization. Alex, what are you doing?
I am sending a message.
And I'm reading.
See? Action happening at this moment equals present continuous.
Alex, wait, look.
Oh, the puppy is running.
The puppy is running right now.
Learners, this is how present continuous works.
Before we continue, if you are learning with us right now,
And if our slow, simple English is helping you,
gently voice, please subscribe. It really supports our channel and helps us make more beautiful, simple lessons for you.
now let's continue our journey.
Now, we enter the past. What already happened?
The formula is simple. Subject plus past form of verb.
For example, I ate. She walked. They played.
Yesterday, I cooked.
Cooked or burned.
Okay, fine. I burned the food.
Learners, past simple tells us about actions that are finished. Soft voice. Yesterday, Alex woke up late,
He ran to the bus stop.
but he missed the bus.
Dramatic sigh. True story.
Learners, remember, past simple is for completed actions.
Now, past continuous.
We use it for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Subject plus was, were, plus verb plus ing.
For example, I was eating. They were playing. She was reading.
Let's dramatize. Alex, what were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.?
Scratching my head. I was watching a movie.
And I was cooking dinner.
Good. Two actions happening in the past.
Soft smile. All right, now we move to the future, the things that will happen later.
The formula is very easy. Subject plus will plus base verb.
Example sentences. I will eat. You will learn. They will travel.
Raising eyebrows. Emily, will you drink coffee tomorrow?
Yes, Alex. I will drink coffee. And you?
I will sleep. Smiles proudly.
Learners, when we talk about something in the future, we use will,
Let's make it fun.
soft tone. Tomorrow, Emily will wake up early,
She will teach English.
and Alex will make tea, not coffee.
Yes, I will make tea forever.
See? Future simple is for decisions, promises, and predictions.
Next is future continuous.
We use future continuous to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing.
For example, I will be studying. She will be working. They will be traveling.
Let's dramatize. Alex, what will you be doing at 10 p.m. tonight?
I will be watching a show.
And I will be reading a book.
See, learners? Two actions happening in the future at a specific time.
Wait, Alex. Look, time is running.
Yes, learners, time is running. And in the future, you will be speaking English confidently.
Beautiful.
Now, a short, slow, simple review to lock everything in.
Slow. Present simple, things you do every day.
Present continuous, things happening right now.
Past simple, things finished in the past.
Past continuous, things happening in the past at a specific time.
Future simple, things that will happen.
Future continuous, things that will be happening in the future.
Great job! You are learning slowly, clearly, beautifully.
Now, we make a short, real-life conversation using all tenses.
Okay, Alex, what do you do every day?
Proud tone, I teach English. And now, I'm speaking to our learners.
And yesterday, what did you do?
Laughing softly, I cooked and burned my food.
And what were you doing at 9 p.m.?
I was cleaning the kitchen.
Tomorrow, what will you do?
I will buy new pants because I burned everything.
And at 9 p.m., what will you be doing?
I will be watching a cooking tutorial.
See, learners, real life plus simple English equals easy learning.
Soft voice, if you're still here, you are special.
Soft warmth. You are learning. You are improving. You are becoming confident.
And we are really proud of you.
Let's help you speak even better. Repeat slowly after us.
Slow tone, I eat.
I am eating.
I ate.
I was eating.
I will eat.
I will be eating.
Smiles deeply. Very good. Repetition builds confidence.
Here's a powerful tip. If you ever feel confused, ask yourself one question. What is the time of the action?
Present, past, future, right now, already finished, will happen.
The tense becomes clear immediately.
Let's end with a soft, simple story.
Soft tone. Every day, Sarah learns English.
Right now, she is watching this lesson.
Yesterday, she studied for 2 hours.
At 8 p.m., she was reading her notes.
Tomorrow, she will practice speaking.
And at 8 p.m., she will be watching another video, growing, improving, learning.
Beautiful. Sarah is you. You are growing. You are learning. You are becoming confident.
If this lesson helped you even a little,
Please subscribe. It really supports us and helps us make more beautiful, simple lessons for you.
and remember, you can watch this video again slowly to understand better.
And do not forget to watch our next lesson. We made it with so much care just for you.
Keep learning, keep growing.
And keep shining. See you in the next video. Bye for now.